Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Price action is still corrective. We're still below resistance. I think this dotted line here, you could say, represents resistance here around $95. Yeah, it's around the previous wave one high, which was printed here on Sunday at around $95. Just above that, we've got this $96 level wave one. So basically it's a bit of a range here and the price needs to push above to continue with the wave three rally. I'm currently exploring the idea if we are in a third wave rally. The last nice support areas, or the last trend reversal areas did hold nicely. We had the yellow one hold, we had this orange one hold, and then the additional orange one. So it works quite well at the moment. But again, it's a bit like the remaining market. It just doesn't go. It needs to do it now because we have a 1-2, another 1-2, and a possible additional 1-2 setup. So the thing is, if this doesn't go now, it's easily going to break down, unfortunately. It's supercharged now with all these 1-2 setups. If we get one more, I start to believe it's not going to happen. The problem is, it really is charged now, which is super bullish. But the bulls just need to show up now. Yeah, you can see that the rallies seem to get smaller and smaller now as we head into resistance here. I'm currently still counting this as a 1-2, but if this wave 2 support area breaks down $87, we have more support at 81 than 70, but below 70 I'm gonna turn bearish. So there's quite a bit of movement that can happen before I will turn bearish on Litecoin, but below 70 I can't defend the bullish case. This is where Elliott Wave tells me where I need to change my view, because then really, I mean, at the moment this could still be, yeah, I mean, you could say maybe this is not a 1-2 setup, maybe this is an A wave down, a high B wave, and we come down in C. So basically something like this, where we had a wave 1 to the upside, A wave, B wave, C wave, might find support then here at $81, for example. Okay, but as long as 87.60 is holding, my immediate focus will be on higher against 87.60, and that a breakout is in play. The count from the last video worked out nicely so far, but it just needs to go now. It's go time, yeah, because we counted in the last video here a leading diagonal in a wave 1, then here an A. Probably this was a high B wave and C wave down, possibly wave 2 low in, but now it needs to go. And the movement to the upside currently looks like a 3-wave structure. So yeah, I'm not entirely convinced yet that it is going. Again, I can only continue to say there is an uptrend. As long as we're holding $87.60, the immediate focus can be on higher. Below that, I think it's likely to retest $81.10. But eventually, if this count is correct, it should break through the resistances. Especially a confirmation would be important by breaking above 95 and then $96. And then we could rally $200 plus and much higher in the coming weeks. Maybe even in anticipation of the Litecoin halving. Just make sure you understand where the risk sits, yeah, and make sure that you understand where below which level probably the bullish count will lose control and the bearish count will get into play, which is key here, the $70 level. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.